Hello everyone, today we are going shopping together in Dublin and I will be taking you along with me. I have a trip coming up and I have so many things to buy for people. I will be taking you along with me in this little video and I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned until the end to see all the things that I bought because I'm going to buy so many things. I hope you enjoy this video.
So much better. That's so sweet. That's a really lovely gift.
I absolutely love that. Hello everyone, I'm back from the shopping and I cannot wait to show you all the beautiful things that I got. So this is the time for the shopping haul now. I just can't wait. I'm so excited. And these are not only things for myself but also for my family since I'm going to be traveling to India on Friday. Fingers crossed if the world situation lets me travel on Friday. But let's get into the shopping haul now. These are all the things that I got. These are all the things that I got. And I am so excited because look at this bag. I got this bag for free in Swarovski when I was buying a necklace. And I just love this bag. It's so cute. So let's start with Swarovski first. So essentially, I went to Swarovski to get this little necklace because I'm going to India for my cousin's wedding, and this necklace is going to be for the bride. It's so beautiful, and as you know, as you've been following me on my channel, you know that I got myself a necklace from Swarovski for Valentine's Day. And I absolutely love Swarovski as a brand because the necklaces are just so feminine and so beautiful. So this is the very first necklace that I got for the bride. And basically this is the Una necklace. Oh my goodness, it's just so stunning. It's so beautiful. I have to show you the necklace. It's just, it's gorgeous. Like, it's just so beautiful. Look at the necklace. Look at the necklace. Look at the details of the necklace. It's so, so stunning. I mean, I am just mesmerized. I can't believe I can't keep it. It's so beautiful. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Now I'm tempted to go and get this for myself because it is stunning. It is so stunning. And it's something that would not only go for Western outfits, but it will actually even go for Indian outfits. So I'm really happy with my purchase, especially because it's a stunning piece. It is just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I also have to show you this bag. It's so beautiful. I mean, look at this bag. It's like literally has a swan here. It's an on brand tote bag that we can use for shopping. And it also has this gorgeous little pouch that came with it. I mean, I'm so impressed that I got this for free. I absolutely love it. Now let's go ahead with the groom's gift. The groom's gift is very understated and I feel bad about it, but I just couldn't think of anything else. So I went to this vintage store called Muireann B Vintage. I love that store because they have really beautiful designer vintage pieces and it's just very unique. It's a very unique vintage store in Dublin. And if you're in Dublin at all, I highly recommend that store. It's so beautiful. So this is the second purchase. These are basically cufflinks, as you can see. They are so beautiful. They look like they have a ruby on it and they are golden colored, but they are so royal looking and I had to get them for the groom. So I'm super excited for this as well. So basically this is my wedding gift for the groom and the bride. Let me know in the comments how you find my choice, but these are basically my choices as gifts. And now let's get into some other things that I got. First off, I do want to show you this beautiful set that I got for myself from Penny's. This is so luxurious. It's basically a satin robe and nightgown set. Oh my god, it's so feminine and it's so elegant. I mean, it's like a full maxi size robe set and it has these beautiful lace detailing. Oh my god, I loved it. I loved it when I saw it. I knew that I had to go and get it, so I got it. I love it. And it has a matching satin dress as well. I mean, look at the detail. It's so cute. It's so feminine. And I absolutely love these type of feminine things. So I got it for myself, selfishly. Now let's get into this little pink set that I got. So this is a gym set. And I've had my eyes on these pieces for a while. This is the matching pink set I got for the gym. And I love this color. I had to get it for myself. I just had to get it for myself. I have to show you these things. So now let's get into some fun things. So I got this little lip gloss from Kiko. One for my sister and one for myself. And they could literally engrave my name and her name on the lip gloss. So this is mine one. This is mine. It has my name on it. But hers also has her name on it because I got it engraved. And I got it engraved for both the things that I got for my sister. So I got her a Kiko lip gloss and a lipstick. And her name is engraved on both the things. And this is so sweet because I didn't even know that Kiko does this. But they do that. If you are looking for a lipstick, I highly recommend going to Kiko and getting your name engraved on it or your anyone you're giving it to their name on it, because that's such a sweet present and it's so personalized. So I highly recommend you do that, because that's going to add such a personal touch to the gift. Then I also went on to, I have some makeup things here. So I also have Sculpted by Me. I got a little concealer because I was running out of it. So I got that. And then this perfume from Penny's, I got it for my mom. But I have the same one. It's called Serenity Bliss. This smells like money. I'm not even joking. It's so good that I got this for my mom, and I got myself the mist version of it because how much I love it. It's just so good. It's so good. I highly recommend this. Then I got myself this perfume as well. It's so nice. Oh my god, this Penny's perfumes are really good. Like, they just have some high quality, even though yes, it's not like a designer perfume, but it's still so good. This one I got from my sister. It's called Floral Girl. Very nice as well. Then we have some more makeup here. I got, so this Kiko lip gloss that I got, it is so good. It is so good. The one that I got for my sister and for myself, the one that has the engraving, it is so nice because it's the shiny pink one. Absolutely love it. It is in the shade 17 if you're looking for it. Absolutely amazing. Then I also got me some brow gel because of my makeup artist. She recommended me a brow gel, so I got brow gel. And then we have some socks from Penny's as well. I needed some socks, so I got them. And then we do have this little sheet mask. Oh my god, Penny's has amazing things. This is from Penny's as well, but I highly recommend it because it works wonders on your skin. But I think today's favorite purchase from my side is definitely the Swarovski necklace and this beautiful bag that I got from Swarovski. It is so cute. I love this bag. I love this bag. I mean, I'm selfishly going to be keeping this bag for myself because it is so cute. And let me know in the comments what you think was the favorite part of the haul. For me personally, I would say the Swarovski necklace was my favorite part of the haul, even though it's not for me, it's for the bride. But it's so beautiful, and they gave me packaging for it. They gave me this bag. They gave me so many beautiful things to add to the gift. And I loved the customer experience at Grafton Street. One thing I'd like to note here, if you are shopping at Swarovski, do, if you can, visit multiple stores in your region, because sometimes they have a free gift. Maybe they have a free jewelry box, a free tote, and this is something the sales associate told me today. But when I was buying my necklace, I didn't get anything for free, and I feel bad now because I could have gotten a jewelry box. They said that during Valentine's Day they had a free jewelry box, and I wish I had that now. But if you are shopping at Swarovski, this is something to note, that when you do shop, go to multiple stores to see what you can get, and you may be pleasantly surprised. This was a little short and sweet video for you guys, and I hope that you enjoy the little shopping vlog. I think I had a lot of fun buying these pieces, especially the luxurious nightwear. Oh my god, I'm so excited for it. It's got so beautiful, and I love these little things, and they don't even have to be expensive. They just have to be comfortable, and they have to make you feel expensive. That's the whole point of things. It's not about spending thousands on something, but it's about how you feel in them. It's really about how you feel in a piece, and that's my entire message. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video, but let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I am posting weekly videos on YouTube, and I'd love to see you here.